What's your favorite part, guys?
I think my favorite part would be the everything seasoning. I think it's kind of the key ingredient.
Mine's the the everything seasoning too, and all the sauce. But also
Is it yummy?
But
Is
also,
it just the best chef in the world?
yes, you're the best chef in the world.
It is quite delicious.
You're second
You
to,
made us a
but
smoothie
you're
once
second to
before.
my father.
You know we love
You're
it.
second to our father, Sophie.
I heard it here,
But that's still
folks.
a great thing.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Hey, Sophie.
You're second to our father, and he's already great.
All right. Sophie.
But